My planner bag allows me to get work and planning done on the go, but it's time to get it cleaned out and organized. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is fall reset week. We're organizing things, we're getting everything ready to go, and with the new season, for me, means a new time of driving the children all over the place, and that means a lot of planning and working on the go. This is my planner bag that I have come to love. It is actually from Stationery Pal. I will try to link it below if I can find it. It was out of stock, but it's a tote bag, and I have my work planner and my catch-all planner. What I want to do is take everything out of my planner bag and get it reset, ready for planning on the go. And I thought you guys might like to see what I think is necessary to have in my planner bag and what I want to include. All right. I will bring you guys along. I will link everything down below, and I would love to know, what do you keep in your planner bag? What do you toss in your backpack? What do you put in your purse in order to plan on the go? What are your must-have items? Let's see if they match up. All right, let's go. All right, we're going to start by emptying out my current planner bag. I have my work planner. This is a cover from the Happy Planner. I am using one of my own covers right here that I have embellished with my work logo, my brand logo, and this is my work planner all ready to go. So that is definitely something that comes along with me. Of course, I have my catch-all planner as well. Again, one of my own covers on this planner, Franken Planning System. She's a big one, but I have that one as well. All right, in the rest of the bag, I have a few things that are just kind of tucked away. This is actually a whole bunch of Proud Sticker Designs stickers that I need to get organized. I've just had them in a little pouch, but this is not the most functional way to use these. So we're going to deal with that. Pencil, an extra pencil pouch that is kind of full. And so we're actually going to do some cleaning out of the pencil pouches and all of that stuff, because it's a lot of things that I have hanging around, including, oh, those are some cute clips. All right. This pencil pouch is also from the Stationery Pal, one of my favorites. It's really cute. Otherwise, not too much in here. More in here, more whiteout, guys. 4 whiteouts, apparently. Seems really important. Some other pens. Let's see, nothing in this pocket. And let's check over here. Oh, what do you know? Another whiteout. So, a few things. It's not too bad, but I think there are some ways I want to organize this and some things I want to bring with me for planning on the go. So let's start out by cleaning out and organizing the pens. All right, let's sort through. First of all, can you tell which pen is my very favorite pen? That would be the Sarasa Mark on Zebra in 0.5. It's my favorite. I have a ton of them in here. Probably more than necessary, and if I'm being honest, I've been looking for a few of these pens. So I'm going to take 3 out, put them in my normal stash, keep 3 right here. That's perfect. Then a pencil, that's kind of a go-to as well. I don't think I need to have these. Actually, maybe this one. This is a micron 1, and we're going to do a Papermate flare. So I guess we will keep those. Those are kind of some of the basics and additional pencil basics. Then for color on the go, if I'm wanting to do part of my creative journaling, I like dual-sided pens because sometimes I dabble in some brush lettering in my free time. So it's nice to have these there and available. We're going to add all of the colorful ones into here. It'll be easy to find what I'm looking for because I don't want to bring too many different ones. Trust me. I'm someone that loves pens. I have all the pens and markers, but when I'm traveling, I don't need that many choices. When I'm sitting at track meets or gymnastics practice, whatever the case may be, out at a baseball game, I just don't need that many choices in that moment. And the more I bring with me, the harder it is to find what I'm looking for. So we're going to keep it simple with just these. These are from Stationery Pal. They are Pentel Brush Sign Pen Twins. I think they're great, and it's like the basic colors, like, oh, you know, the rainbow, the basic ones you need, nothing too much. So we're going to have all of those in one pouch. But I think I'm going to put these in a separate area. And actually, I think we're just going to toss these into a different section just because I'll show you in a minute. These are what I'm grabbing for more times than not. When I'm looking for something to use real fast, these are the basics. They're going to be in a different place. So we're going to just move those to the side. Do I need 5 whiteouts on the go? That would be a big no. I can see how much is left in each of these. They're all like partially used. This one's almost done. We're going to just transfer. Several of them are almost done. Okay, we're going to do 2. I think 2 is a fair number just in case you run out. Then if one runs out, you have another one ready to go, and then you'll be able to just toss in a new one. So 2 is the number of whiteout rollers. I like the rollers because this is not going to be messy. A liquid whiteout or a whiteout pen of some sort can get really messy. So we're just going to stick with the whiteout mini roller. So those can stay. Okay, so other things that can stay. Let's talk about tweezers. So I have 2 sets of tweezers in here. This one is from Keleva Plan, and this one is one that I just picked up off of Google. You guys, it's going to be really hard to see. This one is all bent. Like that is a pair of tweezers that is past its prime. This one from Keleva Plan, purple, my favorite. Great for pulling up stickers. This is a necessity for me on the go. It can be really tricky if you're actually traveling like to an airport. These are kind of pointy, so I'm not sure that these would make it through security, but something to keep in mind when you are traveling like in a place with security, but these will be fine at soccer games. So we're going to take that. These, I think, need to be retired, which makes me sad. I loved these. These were from Amazon. They just worked really well, but they're definitely bent and not very, I don't know, functional there at the end. So those are going to be a no. I also have this. This is also from Keleva Plan, and this is a precision cutter. I also have a tiny pair of scissors, which I did not realize I had in my planner bag. And that would have been good to know because I'm constantly throwing other scissors into my bag when I'm getting ready to walk out the door. And so to know I have a little pair in here, this is the perfect size. I'm not going to do like crazy cutting. This is going to work really well. I also had these paper clips in there. These are from Planner Camp. These are decorative paper clips that we made for one of our crafts during Planner Camp. Those I actually am going to take out because that season has passed, and I'm going to put those away and save them for later. So those are some of the basic supplies. Let's talk about organizing these stickers. Like I said, these are stickers from Proud Sticker Designs, which I have really come to love. That is an Etsy shop. Lots and lots of functional stickers here that I can use. But I had them in that little pouch because I didn't always have that many. Now I have a nice little stack. So I'm actually going to put them in a mini happy planner. These are sized really well to be punched and added within the pages of a mini happy planner, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to keep them in this cover because that should keep them nice and protected when I toss it in my bag. So let me take a minute. Let me get these punched and ready to go. And then we'll talk about what needs to go into my bag in order to keep it organized and be able to plan on the go. Proud Sticker Designs is a sticker shop on Etsy, and they have some fabulous functional stickers, great for goal setting, lots of icons, just wonderful ones that you're going to use over and over and over again. I use them in both my work planner and my catch-all planner, and I've been using them for a lot of 2024. But like I said, when they were in the little pouch, it was just hard to find what I needed. I didn't have them organized in any way. So I am going to hole punch them all. As you can see, I am struggling big time with my Happy Planner hole punch. Things just get stuck. It's kind of a frustrating punch. I'm not going to lie, but it's one that's functional for the most part. It just took me way too long to try to punch these. Things wouldn't go through. It was a whole thing. So I'm going to punch these all. I'm going to put them within the pages of that mini planner cover. You can use any type of cover. You can actually just use rings too, if that's what works for you, and organize them in a few different categories. We're going to go with icons. We're going to go with currentlies, like phrases that I would use for currentlies. We're going to do a reflection section, and then also one for goal setting, basic to-dos, things like that. My hope is that organizing them in this way will A, help me remember what I have, and B, help me to use them even more efficiently. Sometimes I'm just digging and it's just not even worth, anytime you put some sort of obstacle in between you and actually using your supplies, the obstacle wins sometimes. And so I want to be able to use these stickers even more. I may end up adding dividers at some point because that would be really helpful for the different sections. But for today, we're just going to get them all punched and all put onto the discs. That way it will be able to just get tossed into my bag and stay safe and be able to use on the go. Let me know if you have tried Proud Sticker Designs. I'm a huge fan, not sponsored, not affiliated, just a huge fan of these functional stickers. All right, so now let's start to put things back together in the bag. So of course, planners go in first. Want to make sure there's plenty of room for those. That is great. Then we have the pencil pouch that has the markers. We're going to keep this marker zone right here. So that is going to be here. I like that these can be pulled out easily, which is why I keep them in a pencil pouch separate within the bag instead of just throwing them into one of these pockets. Like it does have the pockets and that of course would keep it organized, but I like to spread out. So when I'm working, I'm going to spread out. I have this pencil pouch and this is going to be what I keep these necessities in. So this is actually from Erin Condren. I feel like we got it at Go Wild here in Washington, DC. So that is a separate pencil pouch. That's the go-to. That one's going to be in the front because that's a pencil pouch I'm going to access all of the time. Then let's talk about some things. We have this that is now empty. This is now going to be another pouch. I know it's a little pouch crazy, but I feel like when you organize within the bag, it's just going to help you with the overall organization so that it all stays together. That way, when I'm pulling out, when I know what I'm looking for a tool, my tool-based things will all be in the same place. So we'll put all of these pieces. You got the tweezers, the precision cutter, the scissors. I added Tombow adhesive. That wasn't in here before, but that's something I definitely can use on the go. And then my two whiteouts, let's not go overboard. We're going to keep those in here. That can end up getting tossed in. I might even put that one in a separate pouch if I wanted to, like within one of the zipper areas. So I feel like you could easily, toss this in here or there. We're going to just put it kind of up front, right in that zone. So that means in this front area, I'm just keeping this. That's only one thing in the front. I could also easily put this over here on the side. And then, maybe that's what I'll do. We got a new plan, guys. We're on the go. So we'll put this pouch in here. That's tools in the front, pens in the side. Those are the go-tos, easy to get to. I'm going to leave this little piece right here open for washi tapes. I'm not adding in washi tapes right now because I'm going to probably pull out some seasonal ones, just not ready to add that one in quite yet. Then let's talk about other things that I'm wanting in the bag. I put together all of my Proud Sticker Designs and I'm pretty darn excited about it. That is in its own little mini cover. This is something I use all of the time. I pull from these functional stickers all of the time. So that one definitely is going to stay. Then I pulled out some functional sticker books. So a Date It sticker book. This is something I'm reaching for all of the time. I have multiples of this particular sticker book from Mojo Jojo Plans. So that needs to find its way in. Then I'm going to pull in one seasonal sticker book. This is so that if I decide I can decorate on the go, this gives me some options. It has some boxes. It's got the stickers. It's ready to go. So we're going to put that in together. Fall elements, Date It. Then I have a sticker album. Now, why am I using this reusable sticker album? Because sometimes when I'm pulling up stickers and I'm decorating on the go, they don't go back in the book. This will be great to have with me just to collect those type of stickers. So we're going to start to add these pieces in. Album, couple of sticker books. It's looking pretty good. It's not too bad. We're going to add this one in. It's not light. Like it's a couple of planners, sticker books, but it's nothing too crazy. It's gonna zip up. It fits in here. I can add a washi tape on the go. And I'm pretty pumped about what is in here. And I'm pretty pumped about being able to do some work, do some planning, do some organizing while I am on the go, on the move this particular season. I feel like every now and then, even if your bag is functional, it feels good. It's like cleaning out your purse. It feels good to go through, empty things out, see what else you might need to add in so that you can stay organized and be functional in a particular season of the year or season of life. All right, for real, I do want to hear, what do you have in your on-the-go planner bag? What do you take with you? What are the necessities? And when was the last time you cleaned out your on-the-go planner bag? I hope this video inspires you to start to empty out whatever it is. If it's your work bag, your school bag, empty it out, clean it out, get it organized, and get it set for some success this upcoming season. All right, I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for your continued support. There's a tier for everyone over on Patreon, including a free tier where there are still some perks that you can receive. So if you want to find out more info about Patreon, check the link in the description box below. Otherwise, I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.